thank you guys for coming today, and kind of bear with me a little bit. This is about the second, third time that I've done this workshop, and I'm not very smooth yet, but it's good information. I need to apologize in advance. Ms. Teepa Snow, the person you'll be watching the video on, she does do a little bit of swearing, so just a heads up on that. She's a little bit colorful. She's easy to listen to if you can just kind of fish out those swear words, if that concerns you at all. So, the other thing is I've got a couple of things here. If we will be taking breaks, just to give you time to go to the bathroom, walk around, there's a lot of information. And I've chopped off the end of one of them just to kind of make it not so long, not so much information. We're going to cover a lot of bases. I've got kind of a wide variety of positions in here. But if you've got questions at any point, stop me and we will try our best to get them answered, okay? If you are triggered by anything, by somebody touching you, by somebody, by closing your eyes, anything, if that's going to trigger you and you have concerns about that, let me know, or just, go ahead and just step up and walk away, and then we can visit later about that, okay? I need you guys to know that we're going to be doing things a little bit different. Some of you know me. We're going to be addressing, it's called Adult Experiential Learning Cycle, which means we're going to try to address as many learning styles as possible here. Can you guys tell me what learning style you might be? And this isn't rocket science.
I've got to be showed.
Yep. Okay.
I like to actually have hands-on doing it.
Yeah.
Same here, hands-on.
Having hands-on, yep, that's kind of how I am. How about you guys?
No, so.
Okay. Dan, nothing? Nothing? Nate?
Yeah.
Nothing from Dan.
Hands-on, reading, a little bit of everything.
Okay, all right. I think I shared the last time is I'd rather be in the back, and I don't want anybody calling on me. I don't want anybody recognizing that I'm in the room. Will I learn anything that way? Nope, I won't learn a thing. So I really need to be up in front of the room and learning that way with hands-on and anything else I can get my hands on. So to address at least one of the other learning styles, I've got you a nice little pamphlet here that kind of addresses some of the introduction beliefs that Teepa Snow has, the positive language. I've got some of the dementias and some descriptions there where those dementias fall under, the different diagnoses like Alzheimer's, Lewy body, etc. How do we take in data? And then it goes through the positive physical approach, as well as some other descriptions. And also remind you some of the things that we'll be learning here. So if this is how you take in data, feel free to use that. The other thing you will see throughout the video is, and I do talk with my hands, but not this way. You'll see her having us do things, and I'm going to ask you to do them exactly the way, not exactly, but follow along with her. If she's asking us to use our hands, there's a reason for that, because that's that tying everything together, that kinetic, where you're tying physical actions, you're watching something, you're hearing something, tying all those senses together so we hopefully can learn better that way. Any questions? All right, now, the other thing I'm going to have you do is pair up, and you guys pick your partners right now. That makes sense?
Oh, man.
I'm like, got you.
All right, so the other thing this will be your partner throughout the workshop. Yes. The other thing I'll have you do is break into groups of 3, because that's how many people we've got here, at a certain point. So I'll have you 2 and Nate in a group, and Chris, you and the Dans will be together. So when I have you break into groups, those are the groups you're going to go to, and you're going to separate and have a conversation at that point. All right? Okay. All right, I think we've got all of the housekeeping, or most of the housekeeping, out of the way. This is, the first workshop we're gonna be looking at will be the normal versus not normal aging. So you'll get additional information there. And then the second one will be using the positive physical approach, all right? All right, here we go.